Hey there, BTO Open. I'm Derek, this is Demery. So our workshop that we had at 7 o'clock was Let Me Finish. So we really talked about doing a drill and having the followers call out by count 2 what the pattern is. So going push, whip, pass, right? So by count 2, really knowing what's happening, leaders making you a little more clear in what you're leading, and followers being able to dance the rest of your dance through your 3 and 4, 5, and 6. Remember, the leader starts it, you finish it because you're your own engine. Then we went into cutoff, right? Or scoop 1, 2, going here, followers, making sure that you keep this connection stable the whole time, right? It talks about playing that you don't want to do this. Going through here, right? I connect and then I finish it out to give it back to my leader. Yeah. The other thing that we did was a left side pass. So we went through here 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm off the slot. I connect. I actually bring my hand to meet it right here in the armpit. Under, connect, push away, right? It looks like I'm pushing him, so if you do it the whole speed through. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We talked about if you need 8 counts, it's totally okay. Make it work to fit there. Anything else from that?
We also talked to followers about arcing your slot a little bit so you don't get so far away. If you get too far away, you won't be able to go under. And bringing your hand to the back of your hand to the armpit so that you place it where you want it and you're not putting the leader's hand in the front. So you'll notice when Derek goes through, he pulls his hand up to the armpit and then it goes down with it. Right? That's it.
Thank you.